In this video, you'll learn how to build a full stack application using Lovable. This process will guide you through the steps from starting a new project to generating your application effectively. Begin by navigating to the Lovable website. You can do this by entering the URL into your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Lovable interface, which allows you to create and manage your applications. Next, locate and click on the button labeled New. This option is typically found prominently on the home page. After clicking, a message will appear indicating that you are ready to build your application. This confirmation lets you know that you can proceed to the next step. After that, you will see a prompt stating that Lovable can now handle complex builds more autonomously. This message confirms the platform's capability to assist you in creating sophisticated applications without extensive manual input. Now, type in the phrase create a full stack app into the designated input field. This action will signal the platform to start the process of generating your application based on the full stack requirements you have specified. Be mindful that the complexity of your app and the resources available may affect the time it takes to generate your project. Once you have submitted your request, you will be presented with a message reviewing the full stack app requirements and data sources. Take a moment to carefully examine this information to ensure it aligns with your intended application design. Next, explore the components and data flows of your full stack app. This step is crucial as it allows you to understand how different parts of your application will interact with each other. Make sure to consider how data will be managed and displayed throughout the app. You will then find a message indicating that you are building a sleek, dark-themed analytics full stack app inspired by linear and versal aesthetics. This description outlines the visual and functional aspects of your project, including sidebar navigation, stat cards, charts, and a recent activity table. Following this, you will see a message detailing the design elements, such as a dark base with cyan and teal accents, clean typography, subtle borders, and smooth transitions. These design choices will help create an engaging user experience. After defining your app's aesthetics, you can proceed to the editing phase. This allows you to refine your application further, ensuring all components work together seamlessly. Take your time to make necessary adjustments that will enhance the functionality and user interface of your app. Finally, just wait for Lovable to generate your app. This process may take some time depending on the complexity of your project and the current load on the platform. Keep an eye on any progress indicators that may appear during this process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.